Which side is right? Jaydev Ranade, former Additional Secretary Raw, joining the debate with Seshadri Chari, senior leader of the BJP. Leela Ponnappa, former Deputy National Security Advisor, and Ajit Doval, former Director IB. I would request all of you, ladies and gentlemen, to take positions on this tonight, because we want to use this debate to help our viewers direct their own thinking on which side is right. Mr. Doval, who's right? And why is any one side right? Is it Arun Jaitley's right or Chidambaram's right? Don't give me a midway.
I think Mr. Arun Jaitley is absolutely right in what he is telling. That is, you did not have the prior information to prevent it, and you did not have the post-investigation capabilities to apprehend the guilty persons. What Mr. Chidambaram is telling is an entirely different thing. I won't say it is right or wrong, because he is not giving replies to this question. That is this position which is factually correct of Mr. Jaitley. What has the government done as a proactive action, as a preventive action, and as a detective action in containing terrorism?
Okay.
So I think Mr. Chidambaram's statement is more political.
Well, I would like to draw in Jaydev Ranade. You know what Mr. Chidambaram says is that not one day passes without us reinforcing our terror infrastructure. We are looking, he says, at the threat the nation faces. But capacity is not built overnight. You cannot build capacity overnight. That's what he says. Jaydev Ranade, which side is right?
Well, there are two parts to this issue. The first is the preventive, where I think we've had the apparatus and the machinery in place for a while, for quite some time. And they should have been able to prevent it had they the right expertise and the will to go ahead and do it. But the second part is the investigative, that is the post-event part, where you have organizations which have been recently set up, which still require time to build up their institutional memory and expertise, but they don't have much time. But I will grant this, that they need a bit of time to build themselves up, like the NIA, and give it a year or so, and then they'll have to start delivering.
So it will take time, Mr. Seshadri Chari. Precisely the point. Mr. Chidambaram says, if I recruit a police officer today, it will take 1 year for the recruitment process to happen. It will take another 1 year to train the person. So there itself 24 months goes away. You can't expect magic. If he says, I continue to recruit at the number that I am recruiting now, it will take me 7 to 9 years. I don't remember the exact number to get the police people that are required to run the country. Do you have another formula to do it quicker, Mr. Chari?
But Arnab, there's a mistake in the thing of picking up, selecting only police officers. You have to select professionals, cyber specialists or other forensic experts.
Yes, but the point he made was a pure policing. Mr. Chidambaram.
Agree with
Mr. Chari.
I entirely agree with Mr. Ranade when he says that it's not only recruiting the police personnel. I mean, where I don't want to join this debate of who is right and who is wrong. It's very unfortunate. I don't think you should be debating whether Arun Jaitley is right or Chidambaram is wrong. That's not the issue. The issue is, in the first place, the Home Minister is responsible for the security of the citizens, just as the Finance Minister is responsible for the good financing of this country. The Health Minister is responsible for the health of the country. The Home Minister is responsible for the security of the citizens, you and me. What has the government done for this? We have got a investigating agency, NIA, a National Investigating Agency, we have got IB, we have got CBI. These are all investigating agencies. Your own channel brought up the issue of not being, High Court not installing the CCTV. But we have discussed, we have wasted 2 days on whether the CCTV should have been installed or not. What would the CCTV do? It will only tell you what happened or how it happened after the bomb blast has taken place. What about prevention of terror? We don't have a good anti-terror law. We don't have a national security policy. In 1947 we got independence. This is 2011.
No, 1 second.
We have had a war in 48.
Now, are you
We have had a
politicizing
war
it?
in 62.
Are you politicizing it?
65.
Are you politicizing it?
We had Kargil.
1 minute, sir.
We know from
Sir.
where the terror emanates.
Sir, are you...
But we have not been able to put a anti-terror
Sir,
law
are you,
in the place.
No, sir, are you on every issue,
these are all
Mr. Chari?
serious issues.
Mr.
I
Chari,
don't
1
think
minute. Mr.
we
Chari, are
should
you
be
politicizing it?
apportioning blame on one another. Rather, we should sit together.
Mr. Chari, that's exactly what Mr. Chidambaram is saying. He's saying, you know, there are, for example, he says there are 6 unsolved cases.
No,
one minute.
Please,
but
please,
he's
please.
saying that state governments are
let
also
me
probing many
clarify.
of these
He
cases.
specifically mentions the Chinnappa Stadium in Karnataka.
Yes, he does. Is he
Now,
wrong?
is Karnataka government competent to investigate that case? Is it enough if only Karnataka government does? Is it enough if only some Uttarakhand government does? It is enough only if Andhra Pradesh government does? That is not enough. It is the central government which has to put together a team. India is one. The terror attack on Karnataka is not just a terror attack on one particular state. It is a terror attack on India. Why don't you think it in those
point
terms?
he said
We
was
should have a
in the
national
context. Okay,
integrated security policy.
I'll get Leela
Where is the
Ponappa in.
integrated security policy? Can Karnataka government have an independent security policy?
No. I think the point he was making there is that there are many BJP ruled states where there are unsolved cases because Mr. Jaitley took the government to task, accusing it of failing to solve any recent terror attacks in the country. Mr. Jaitley said that. He accused the government of that. That's why
Obviously,
okay.
Arnav, the point that I am trying to make, the point Jaitley is also trying to make is national security cannot be left only to a policeman patrolling some street in Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh. National security is a national policy. Don't think in terms of different states.
Okay, I'm going to get in Leela Ponappa now, our 4th voice on this panel. Ms. Ponappa, you heard about the arguments on both sides. I'm sure you know the context of what Jaitley and Chidambaram have said and what they said. Which side are you on?
Well, you know, Arnab, I agree with Mr. Shastri that I don't think it's a question of who is right and who is wrong. These are not mathematical situations, and I don't think we should approach them in that manner. I think the whole rubric of national security is a very serious, complex matter, and you could say that to an extent both of them are either right or wrong. If you take it in terms of fact, yes, there may be X unsolved cases post Mumbai. Perhaps there are several unsolved cases pre-Mumbai as well. I have often said on your channel, this is not a matter that should be politicized, and I would like to really address it on that basis from a systemic rubric. What we are talking about, if you heard Mr. Jaitley today, and also what I understand was Mr. Chidambaram's response, even though I didn't hear it, is that we are talking about a combination of the systems, the laws, the intelligence and the governance practices that would give this country an effective counter-terrorism structure. Now, in some cases, let's not forget that we are 10 years down the line from the 2001 GOM report on the reform of the national security system. You had an NDA government in power at that time, you've had a UPA government since 2004. Okay. So you could say that they are both either equally there to take the credit or the blame.
Mr. Doval,
I think I just want to make...
have to be looked at in that sense.
Mr. Doval has wanted to come in. Leela, I think Mr. Doval wants to comment on what you said here. Mr. Doval.
Well, while I agree with most of the things, but let me make one factual correction. Before 5th July 2005, there is no major incident of terrorist violence in this country in which the people have not been identified and accounted for. Made with Akshardham, they were killed. Made with Raghunath Mandir, they were killed. Whether it was in the parliament, they were killed. Whether it was in the assembly in the J&K, they were killed. And many of them were accounted for within 6 months' time or about a year's time. My point is only one thing. Leave aside you have not been able to detect them. Can you tell me the names of 5 persons who are wanted today? Who have been involved in these cases, and the government can say that we are looking for these 5 persons. We know that they are responsible. They may be in any part of the world, but you can never find what you do not know, what you
Mr.
are searching.
Chidambaram has said,
If you
Mr.
even do
Chidambaram
not know
says,
what is the organization,
Mr. Chidambaram
who are
says-
the people, who are the culprits,
Mr.
how-
Chidambaram
how
says,
the
Mr.
executive
Doval,
agencies are the...
Mr. Doval, let me point out to you. Mr. Chidambaram says, I have,
let
one
me know when I
minute,
can
so
finish
far
what
we
I
have
have to say.
neutralized 51 terror modules in the last 2 years. Busting a terror
Brilliant, that's a
module
good job,
requires
sir.
painstaking work. And I have busted 51 terror
Perfect.
modules. Is he wrong? Is he making up these facts?
Well, no, well, he's a home minister, he won't be telling wrong. And if these facts are right, it's very gratifying.
Yes.
My point is that it is very good, but it is not good enough for ensuring the safety and security of the country. Wherever they have desired to strike, they have been able to strike and get away with impunity.
No, but he has said,
Can
one
we
minute,
say,
one
for
minute,
example-
he has said, 1 minute, sir, he has said, I don't arrest the people. The state government arrests the people. I identify the people. We don't arrest them. The state police has to arrest them. Is he wrong?
That is a very
Arnab,
technical...
please
No.
let me know when I can come in again.
I don't agree with that.
You don't agree
No,
with that?
I don't agree with that. No, certainly not. Let me tell you one thing. In Akshardham, who neutralized them?
Neutralize,
It
not
was the
arrest.
energy which went from here. In
Neutralize, not
Raghunath
arrest.
Temple, who neutralized them? Even the arrest part of it. When there was a Calcutta, American Center in Calcutta,
Yeah.
which were the agencies? It was
Okay.
central agencies. All major incidents of terrorist violence in this country and espionage cases have been done by the central agencies, and the cases have been registered. The legal follow-up action has been taken by the state agencies. There have been cases where they have provided some useful clues or provided this thing. Of course, the legal cover is provided by them because there's a problem about it. And
think-
I would like to emphasize it. The terrorist crime, its planning, its preparation, its material, the
Good.
movement
Now
of
rebut.
people, communication do not take place within the confine of one state.
Okay.